Well, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be filming this epic train track I made. So, to start off with what we're doing today, so I literally just told you we're making a train track. So, it's basically a train track. So I've got the clothes out. I won't actually show you what clothes I have. But anyway, we're baking bridges over the clothes stand stumps, basically. So here's our white clothes stand stumps, and we'll make it this, and it's got that little bridge over it. It's quite secure because it's got these cool beams that go up. I'll show you in close. Quite cool. And we got the type where basically one train can be coming this way, it's coming down here, whilst the other is going this way. So it's like a chain reaction kind of. It was like a two-way system, and then it goes into one way and these gets. And we also got the little low bit that goes down low. Trains, obviously. And then we got that up on this one. And then we've got one over the white stump, and then also the blue stump again. We didn't have enough track to get all the way over to that one though. But we've got enough to get to here, and we curled it round to get to the train station. And then I've got this little turning circle. Which I'll show you with a little train. For example, this train. Look, so you can turn it to this direction, go there. This direction, go here. This direction, go this way. And then the other direction is straight. Choo-choo. Yeah, it's quite cool. Normally I just do lucky dip. Which way do we start off with on this? Okay, we start off with this way. Well, actually, I started off with both my trains going this way, but then I actually made the two junctions where they can go the other two ways. I've got this little loop that goes around both, and then I'll show you the actual train that goes around the track. But it's quite a cool track, I really like it. And, well, basically, these little stamps here that I've put into like these bits, they aren't secure, so they aren't that 100% secure, but they still work. I'll show you a train going through the track right now. Right. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Let me see if these guys reply back.
So, this is it. In full. I quite like it actually. Right. 1 second. right.